afternoon. Please listening the following and the rising intonation English statement. Betty live in London. Victor worked at a bank. I haven't read this book. I went to the theater yesterday. What is his name? Where does he live? When did you call him? Why are you late? Yes, no question. Do you visit them often? Have you seen my key? Are you ready to start? Could you give me a pen, please? Alternative question. Do you want coffee or tea? That he speaks English or German? Tag question. It's a beautiful town, isn't it? She know him, doesn't she? Come on. Stop it. Sit down. Close the book. Exclamatory. What a beautiful present. How nice of you. Direct address. Peter, can you hear me? Mr. Smith, this is Mary Brown. Enumerating 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sugar, bread, cheese, orange, and apple. Introductory. If he called, tell him about the conference, please. According to his work, he was at home. Thank you listening. Goodbye.